Here is a quick video to show you how to set up your new build spreadsheet. So after purchasing the template from our website, you'll get a downloadable file like this. All you do is click Access Now. It's going to open the template up, but it won't be editable. So just click Make a Copy. You can put your business name in here and click Make a Copy. So this spreadsheet may not be for more advanced new builders. If you're doing multiple projects, it may be a little bit time intensive to run these spreadsheets. But if you're just starting out and don't have the budget to spend $500, $600, $700 a month on this software that's available, this is a perfect temporary solution. So this is the spreadsheet here. Each heading expands into a subsection with more points. So you've got over 1,000 items, I think, that you can enter in, or 336 items, sorry, that you can manually enter the costs. So how you use this is you kind of work through line by line and update what you need to. So building permits, we know we're going to have one of these for one project, and we're expecting about $15,000 cost. We'll then add it here. Warranty insurance. Maybe it's a duplex, so there's two, and it's each, and we think they're both going to be $7,000 each side. So there's another $15,000. So these costs are set for the project, and you got to just keep going and fill this all out. You might have your signage. You might have 5 signs on the site, and each are $150. So you have $750 in marketing you have to spend. So go through and fill out each section. When you actually spend the money and you have to pay for your building permits, you put it in this column here. So say it came back a bit cheaper, $12,500, you enter it in there. Once you collapse these, you can see an overall view. So you have unit cost and expected cost. So this is what you have basically quoted for, and this is what you've actually spent. So for things like prime cost items, you want to go down and kind of find where you need to add those in. So let's take joinery, for example. Okay, stone bench tops. So we're going to go to material. Say there's 3 bench tops in the house each. We know a standard slab of stone is about $2,200 at the moment. So we have allowed for $6,600 in stone bench tops in our quote. So we want to hit that as a prime cost item, which is a PC item essentially. And what we're going to see is that now come over to our second spreadsheet, which is over here. So the first prime cost item are the stone bench tops, and we expect they're going to be about $6,600. Now your client may come in and want Italian marble stone. It's going to be $50,000. You're then going to have to do a price variation with them. So that's completely up to you to manage all that, but it gives you the option through the power of spreadsheets. You may also get different items. So site preparations. Okay, bulk cuts, the earthworks. So we know it's labor intensive. There's one site cut happening, and we expect it's going to be $45,000 the cut, but we don't know until we see if there's rock in the ground. So for that, we're going to hit Provisional Sum, and that's going to come over here. So these, when you're quoting, copy and paste these, send these to your client. So you say, our price is all inclusive. Here are the prime cost items, and here are the provisional sum items. We are unsure how much this is going to cost until we start doing it. And these items here are totally variable. You may have expensive taste or cheap taste. You may be above or below what we set our figure at. So as you're going through, you've done your expected cost and actual costs. It comes over here. Quite simple. So your expected cost was $90,585, including GST, and the actual cost was $13,750, including GST. So then all you need to do is minus this figure from this amount, and that leaves you with your gross profit. It's obviously not as simple as that. You have to take into account a bunch of other expenses, but this spreadsheet is not that powerful. You really need an accountant, and you need to run everything through programs like Xero. So this is a great solution for a new and upcoming builder that doesn't have the cash roll to sort of fund $600-700 a month in the online softwares you can buy. So it's a great temporary solution. So I'll leave it there. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and we can help you get this set up for your business.